Hello friends, welcome to Learn to Earn channel. In this video we are going to show you how to create an account on Bitbucket. Bitbucket is a tool which control your version, which is a version control system tool, and by using Bitbucket you can create your own private Git directory for your business purpose or learning purpose as well. Okay guys, let's go. First of all, you should type here bitbucket.org. I'm gonna show you how you can do. bitbucket.org. It will show here get started for free. You need to click on this. I'm going to click. It will show you on sign up page. You should have an Gmail account, and here I'm going to give username learn to earn and password as you want. Here you should click on sign up. It is showing that we sent a sign up link to you at learn2earn1997@gmail.com. Let's check our mail. Friends, you can see here the email is appearing from Atal Asian. Click on this. You will get a link for sign up. Yes guys, here this is a button, verify your mail. Click on it. It will verify your email on Bitbucket. It is showing it is opening a new tab, Atlassian account. Here you will able to sign up. Let's open it. Yes, it's open, and now you can give your username. I will give learn to earn and click on continue. It will search if there is any username is already exist. I'm going to add 1997. Now we will check if username will be exist. Then it will refuse to. Yes, it's available. Click on submit. It is submitting also. Yes, we are here. You can give your experience detail here. Likewise, Bitbucket will manage your data. What describe your experience with the source control? Pick anyone. I have no experience. Just we are learning, so I have no experience. How many people do you think you will work on Bitbucket? Just 1 to 5, or if you have a large team, you can select 50 plus. But I am going to select 1 to 5. What best describe your role? Here you should you can give your own, but I am going to select developer. Here Bitbucket option and design web development. What you are going to develop you can select. I'm going to select web development here and submit. Yes guys, we have created a Bitbucket account. Now you are on your page. Click on plus icon to create a repository. You can create your repository. I'm going to create a simple repository. Project name is learn to earn. And repository name Bitbucket repo. Access level, if you untick this repository will be publicly available and anyone can see your repository. If you want to private it, you can click on it. Go to just create repository. Yes, we have created Bitbucket repo and this is your repository. You can work on it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thanks.